everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube. Special thanks and appreciation to all subscribers and to everyone who supports this channel. We really appreciate it. It means so much for us. Show you how it's really comfortable, and it's adjustable. Here you can, there's a little push bottom here. You see, down, up, down. This side here, this side is broken, so that's what we're gonna be fixing today. As you see here, you know, push that way or this way. It's for adjustment for the back of the chair, so it's not like holding in one position, as you see, because this somehow there's a wire. The wire, it looks like cut off, so that's what we're gonna be fixing. And so yeah, it's a really good chair. And so stay tuned, watch the entire video please, and see how this will be done. Okay, so we have to remove this seat here. We have to remove this, and you can see like this, the whole piece is one piece all the way there. So we're going to be removing bolts here. This is a 10mm bolts from each side, and we'll see if we'll be able to reach. This is the wire is being cutting from here, so this one does not work. Now this side. So this is the wire where it was cut off from here, as you see. So you can see here, that's what we need to hook up the wire here. Let's give it a try and see how does it work. So this is the sticker, and this chair is about roughly $600. This is the labor back and stuff like that. And so yeah, I'll put the link description down below so you can find out more about this chair if you're interested, where you can buy and stuff like that. So by the way, once we remove those thing here, the two roller model fall down from here, one here and the other one goes here, this side, just like that. So and then we'll put this thing back again. So as you see here, we just hook up the wire here, if you can see a little oh, it's okay now. So now it's hooked, but the thing is, because this is plastic, it might be loosed again, and so I'll find a way to make it not to kind of disconnect it again. So we're gonna be opening this cover because it's plastic. We'll put some support to this cover. As you see, this side here, it's already there's a metal, so it can support inside. Here is nothing, and that's why this one keep losing, you see. So okay, so that's just this thing here. When it's hooked, you keep losing like that. I'm trying to put washer to squeeze this one down there so it can never be loosed again. So I'll find a washer here, metal washer. That's a door lock stopper and piece of a part of the door lock. So this is gonna, how it's gonna fit like that. This is support to this plastic, so the wire, this thing will stay in always, but this thing need to be drilled a little bit so the this can fit here. Just like that. And this side here, I'm just gonna move this a little bit, hammer it maybe, hammer it a little bit here to make this thing flat. As you can see now, it's pretty much very good. Just like that. The thing adjustment, and all I'm gonna do basically install this one first like that, and then put this thing in. This wire need to be tight. There's a one screw here. Should be good. Now it's time to put everything back. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is the mechanical for the office chair, how to goes up or down simply by turning this piece here. You see, this is a kind of a bolt. So the bolt, and this is the wire here, and the wire, basically this wire, it sits in here. So once you pull the handle, the wire will pull this thing up like that, and then goes up. See? And then when you sit on the chair trying to make it lower, same thing, pull again, and then just like that, pull. See? And then that's it. So simply by turning this way, see how the chair will adjust itself, and then push it back again, turn this way, and then press. Just like that. So if I see now the chair, because it has air, it works on air pressure. So now it does not move, not up, not down. But if I turn it this way, up or down. To lock it, release, and then it's locked. This is the for the wire system stuff like that. And this is where to hook in here, just like that. When you pull the wire, this will twist tight like that.